Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippine?
Philippines.
Aiden, double tap Aiden. Double tap Aiden. Send me any kinds of gift. Oh my god, you don't send me? You don't send me Aiden? Okay, get out of my life. Can you please double tap Aiden? Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. Give me money gun. Help me to win. Oh my god. Help me to win. Aiden. Aiden. ERC. Give me money gun. Today's my birthday. Oh my god. Help me to win. Double tap. Double tap, I said. Give me money gun. Tangin na nangyayot ko. Hi, Malik. Malik. Double tap, Malik. Malik. Saan kumain? Parang di yun. Nanti aku makan apa gila. Hush. Hi, Miss Cathy. Double tap, Miss Cathy. Today's my birthday. No one sent me gift. No one sent me gift, guys. Today's my birthday. No one sent me birthday cake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Today's my birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Now, Miss Cathy, look what you did. She keep
Today's
battling
my
me.
birthday. No one sent me birthday cake.
She keep battling me.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. No one give me cake. No one celebrate my birthday because I'm sick.
He was, I mean, she was really, really mad. Like, there's person on her stream, and she said she's worrying a words to that person because that person didn't send any to her.